Today I'm going to show you how to remove your back door panel on your 97 through 2001 Jeep Cherokee. You'll need a screwdriver and this tool to remove your clips. If you don't have that, you can use a flathead screwdriver. First thing you're going to do, there'll be a screw right here and you want to remove it. And there'll be a screw right there and right there. And once you removed your screw, you're going to use this tool and you're going to get back in here and pry the door panel apart. Be easy not to break the clips. Now to reinstall your door panel, you gotta line your door panel up with that groove right there. Now once you get the door panel aligned with the groove, you're gonna line the clips up and push it until it pops. Just like that. Then you'll reinstall your screw there, right there, and right there. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe for more.